Hey guys, welcome back to another custom ROM review for Redmi Note 4, and this time we have MistOS based on Android 15. So I have reviewed custom ROM for this device pretty long ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. I have been using this ROM actually 2-3 months now. It is working well on this device. Obviously, as you know, Redmi Note 4 is not meant to run Android 15 or 14, but surprisingly still we are getting some custom ROM for this device. So Redmi Note 4, as you can see here, we do get our device specification. MistOS, this is an unofficial version for this device. Obviously you are not going to get any official version of Android 15 custom ROM for this device, and Android version is 15. Other things you can see here, and the Mist version is 3.5 Android 15, and the security patch level is from June 5 2025. Pretty latest build actually. And the UI, as you can see here, a little different than usual Android 15 based ROM. So it does look good actually. I do like the UI, and the control panel is similar to all other Android 15 based ROM, and you can customize the control panel. Talking about customization, we do get Mistify Tweak, where you will get all sorts of customization for this device. So you can change the setting UI up to liking, like you can get the stock UI look in the setting panel, also Monet setting and theme setting, lock screen, and we do get few things here actually. First of all, we get NavBar with this ROM, which is available. As you can see here, I have already turned it on. As you can see here, NavBar is working. And also we do get few other things like big display and media cover art and few other things. So tons of things available actually. And we do get brightness control, quick pull down, status bar tuner, and few other things, as you can see here. And we do get quick setting here. So there are also few customization options available, notification, power menu, and the miscellaneous. So we do get high pep list, smart pixels, USB configuration, and few other options. And the component is spoofing. So by default, you are not getting any kind of safety net with this ROM, but if you want to fix it manually, you can do it from here. And we do get unlimited photos for Google Photos, and also we can unlock higher FPS in game, that is also available. So in terms of customization, you are getting a lot, and most of them working perfectly fine. In terms of network connectivity, we do get Bo LTE, Bo Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything working perfectly fine. And one thing which is I have noticed is like when you turn on hotspot, it will turn off your Wi-Fi. So you cannot use this device as a Wi-Fi extender. But other things are working well. In terms of network connectivity, I haven't faced any issue actually. So it is working well. The notification, as you can see here, pretty much similar. Sound and vibration working well, no issue at all. And we do get Dolby Atmos option and per app volume control and few other things. Modes option is available, as you can see here. Display, so adaptive brightness is working well, no issue at all. And double tap to sleep and double tap to work also available. We do get torch settings, so you can calibrate the torch like the yellow light and the white light, so you can choose. We do get high touch sensitivity option, so if you are getting touch issues, you can turn it on. App section, as you can see, we do get clone apps, app log, game space, and sidebar, so you can turn it on. One thing which is noticeable with this ROM is that it feels slow, because Android 15 is kind of heavy, and also I have already disabled all kinds of animation. With animation, it is pathetic. Without animation, it does work perfectly fine. As you can see here, it is working well. In terms of storage, obviously this is a 32 gig variant, so by default the device take up to 12 gig of internal storage. And in the system setting, we do get few things like buttons option. So if you want full screen gesture, first of all you have to go to button section and enable on screen navigation bar. Then you will get the option in the gesture option, like to turn on the full screen gesture. So that's what you have to do if you want full screen gesture. we are not getting any kind of Xiaomi parts option here. Accessibility option is available. As I said, I have already disabled all sorts of animation. As you can see here, remove animation is enabled. In terms of security and privacy, we do get both face and fingerprint unlock and working well, no issue at all. As you can see here. So no issue. And as Android 15 based ROM, we do get private space. In the more security and privacy option, we do get few other things like standard unlock, theft protection, SIM lock, and all these things. GPS is working well, SafetyNet, password, and all other things are available. And in terms of battery, so the battery backup is pretty good. I haven't faced any drain issue or anything like that. We do get few battery related features like charging control option is available. You can schedule or limit charging. Also, a custom schedule is available. And we do get battery information option. So as you can see. So battery backup is pretty good. And one thing which is missing, I don't really know you have noticed or not. We don't really get any kind of wallpaper and style section here. If we search, the search is not working on this ROM. To change the wallpaper, we have to press and hold. And we will get the wallpaper and style. The lock screen option, we can change clock. So all the clocks are available. They did not remove all of them. So, and the change wallpaper. So we do get few wallpapers here and do get nothing wallpapers. So nothing 2.0. So there are a lot of them. And in the more lock screen option, so we do get ambient display option and use ambient display is available, but no AOD. So we are not getting any kind of AOD with this ROM. And here we do get few other options like you can change icon and also you can change the font. So these are the things you are getting here. In terms of application, this is a GF's build. So we do get few Google application here. And with this ROM, we are getting GCam Go, which is working well, no issue at all. And in the video section, video is working. Even 4K recording is working well, no issue at all. So quite good in terms of camera. And as I said, in terms of phone call, Bo LTE and Bo Wi-Fi working, but call recording is not working here. So as you can see here, the background call recorder application is available, but it doesn't record call. In terms of Google Photos, we do get unlimited storage. So as you can see here, and Magic Editor is sorts of working, like it is not really full-fledged Magic Editor, but the basic one is working well. So as you can see here, we cannot circle or anything do like that, but basic editing we can do, and it is not crashing the app. So good enough. Dolby Atmos is available, FNBD is working well, no issue at all. In terms of SafetyNet, as I said, SafetyNet is not available with this ROM. So bank apps not going to work. About fix the issue. And no luck. Because of that, ChatGPT is also not working. As you can see here, ChatGPT is not working. And other features like we do get Dolby Atmos, as I said, and we do get circle to search. Pretty slow, but circle to search is working. So as you can see here, as I said, Android 15 is not meant to run on this device. So it is surprising that the developers, they included all sorts of customization and the features on this ROM. So that's pretty good. And in terms of gaming, I did play Call of Duty here in default setting. The gaming experience was quite good, as expected actually. So as I said, this device is not really a gaming device, and also it is running pretty heavy OS. So this is not really a gaming for or anything like that, but still for casual gaming you can still do. I haven't faced any issue like playing games on this device or with this ROM, so it is working perfectly fine. And if you are a gamer who play games, you can still go with this ROM, but for better experience, obviously go with Android 10 based or 11 based ROM. They will provide you much better experience than this ROM. So overall, the UI, as you can see here, pretty smooth, no issue at all. everything seems to be working perfectly fine, and I haven't faced any major issue with this ROM. Obviously there are minor issues like SafetyNet is not working, and the UI is pretty slow or sluggish, and also you have to disable all sorts of animation if you want a usable experience out of this ROM. Anyway, it is pretty surprising that the developers are still building custom ROM for this device. And if you want to try this ROM, I will put the ROM link in the description below. That's all about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.